Hi YouTube, Jeremy here, jaysgreenmachines.com. This is the new Magic Pi 3, as you can see, built-in controller. Today in this video, just going to do a quick sound test of this new motor. There you have it, new Magic Pi 3. Next video I'm going to show you how to put reverse on this new motor. On the older motors, the Magic Pi 2s, Magic Pi 1s, it came with reverse. These Magic Pi 3s, they do come with reverse, they just do not come with a switch. So basically you have to wire your own switch in. So I'll be showing you that in the next video, and thanks for watching.